Patents are about protecting an idea. So whereas we saw with copyright, copyright protects the expression of an idea, a patent actually protects the idea behind something. What ideas are protected? Ideas that have a practical use, the manner of manufacturing, provided, however, that the particular manner is novel. It must be new to the world. It must be something that was not otherwise previously obvious, and where the patent holder provides full disclosure. The rules around patents are that if you want to have a monopoly right to exploit your novel manufacturing idea, you need to give to the world what that idea is. You are given a monopoly right for protection, but the world will be able to, other inventors, engineers, chemists, will be able to use your knowledge to try to expand mankind's store of knowledge. So that's the quid pro quo of obtaining a patent. Patents are obtained through registration. The patent owner, a licensee, purchasers and mortgagees are all registered on the patent title. Australia currently has two forms of available patent: a standard patent that lasts for 20 years, or in the respect of pharmaceuticals, a period of 25 years. There's also an innovation patent that has a lower threshold of inventiveness and has a maximum period of 8 years. Innovation patents have a faster approval process and lower fees. Like the rest of the world, Australia operates a first-in, best-dressed patent system. The first person to seek registration of a novel idea will become the patent holder. So consequently, if you disclose a particular idea to someone and that person runs off and obtains the patent, then unfortunately you may be left out in the cold. The ownership of a patent is transferred by written contract, and the whole concept of the Patents Act 1990 is covered by the Patent Cooperation Treaty, which requires registration of patents on a country-by-country basis. Now, to explain a bit more about what a patent is, a patent, as I've said, is a novel idea, device, substance or process capable of industrial application. The online Amazon system of the basket that you see on the internet, that is a system of industrial application, and it became a patent in 1998. So the one-click Amazon shop was a patent.